Hi, in this video I'm going to quickly show you how to use spreadsheets and put the grades in the system. So you go to your course that you're teaching this semester, click on the spreadsheets. If you have not been using it, you should start using it for putting the quiz, midsem, endsem, etc. marks for the students. The way you do it, that is, you add a column here, and I'm gonna put the endsem marks here. Save that, update that, so that column gets added to the system. Now I'm going to download all this data. You have two options here. You can actually enter the marks for the endsem directly over here. This is just some random sample data, or you could actually download all the data as a CSV file on your computer and do that on your spreadsheet program that you like. And this is what I usually do. I usually just enter the marks on the spreadsheet program that I like and then upload the CSV data. So here I'm just going to put in some random numbers for the answer marks for the students. All this data is just some sample random data, not the real data for my class, which I'm using for this demo. So I'm just gonna add these marks for the students, and now what I'll do is I'll export this file to a CSV file, and I'll go back here and merge this CSV file. This is the latest one, and that'll add all the answer marks. Now you see these answer marks are showing in gray, not in black. That's because these are currently hidden from the students. To show to the students, you click on this one. Now you update, and this information will be visible to the students. Now for example, students may not know what is the maximum marks for the endsem, what is the average, and any other information that you want to give. You can actually add it onto the message board here. You can edit, you can add endsem marks maximum as 60, and any other information that you want to give. Let's say endsem marks average is, let's say, was 45. So we can add that information to the message board, and we can update that. When students go to their performance summary page, they're gonna see the messages that you have added to the message board here. Okay, now we are gonna go add one more column called total, which will actually contain the total of all the marks. Now again, it's gonna be tedious to do the total manually and enter it over here. So what we'll do is we'll again export all data as CSV. Open the CSV file in your favorite spreadsheet program, and then we'll just use some function to total them up, or whatever operations you want to actually perform on on the table. You perform all of the data. Looks like we missed the answer marks for this guy, so let me put something in there. Okay. Again, I'm gonna go back and export this data to CSV. I got the total there, and maybe when I'm doing that, let me also actually add the grades. The grades column is already here, so let me just drag that column out here, and I'm gonna sort the total in the descending order, and I'll start giving grades. Okay, so I want to give grades A to everyone who has got, say, up to 110. Oops. I want to give A to everyone up to this point. Now to give B to everyone else. I want to give to B to everyone else. Now again, I will export this to a CSV and go back over here. I'm gonna merge CSV. I'll choose the latest file that I created. All the total marks are showing up here. Again, I can click this show to students, add any more messages that I want to the message board, save the file. Now the students can see their quiz marks, midterm marks, answer marks, and the total. It's time to do grading now, and actually we've already done grading. All we have to do is upload the grades. So what we'll do is we'll click on the grades here, and over here in the grades column I can actually, over here itself, if I wanted, I can sort the columns and start and adding the grades one by one, or I can simply do a merge CSV. Because I've already done the grading, I can choose the file in which I've done, put the grades. The important thing to note here is that in the CSV file that you're about to upload, the roll number field and the grades field, they should be spelled in the same way. Any spelling difference in the merge CSV won't work. Since I downloaded the merge CSV file from here, since I downloaded the CSV file from here and edited that, my column names are going to match. So I'll do merge CSV, again choose that, and all my grades are up here. Just check that I got all the grades. Yeah. Okay. So at this point I can just update. The data is saved. If you're happy with your grade, this is time to finalize it. Click on finalize, click OK. After this point, you cannot change your grades. You'll see a complete stamp over here. So all you can do is download this PDF file and print it, sign it, send it to academic affairs. The grading is done. Thank you for watching.